So welcome back. So what is a data science? Data science is a study or a field where we collaborate different areas of computers, mathematics, statistics, programming, domain knowledge together to form a new structured and formatted data. So it is a field where we will be storing the data, which is a raw data. The raw data will be formatted into a structured format. Data sciences purely work on both the structured and the unstructured data. So the life cycle of the data sciences would be initially the system would identify the problem. Once the problem is identified, the problem will be resolved. The problem will be initiating into the process of resolution where we need to gather the information. Once the information has been gathered, based upon the information to solve the problem, we will be implementing either of any of the mathematical techniques or the statistical techniques or the programming techniques to solve the particular problem. And once the problem has been solved, we will be analyzing the result. The result would be analyzed and finally it would be kept for the visualization. Okay, so hope data science is clear to you. So data science is basically, it's a blurry term where we would say that it's a combination of or collaboration of sciences, mathematics, statistics together with the business intelligence where we can take the decisions. So that's it. Stay tuned. Thank you.